Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon na pala. Good afternoon, UAE, Philippines, and all of our people across the globe next. Okay, so yeah, I am continuing my task, the 2 for 2 challenge, and this is like just answering all the frequently asked questions that we got about our buzzing digital business. And yes, so medyo wala akong parang mga araw because it's weekend. So yes, okay, so now we are going to kickstart Monday. Okay, so the topic is, the question actually is, how fast can I see results? Why? How fast? Well, definitely, it all depends on you. Okay, it depends on the effort, the time, the the investment when it comes to your daily allotment of hours. It all depends on that. It all depends on what you can put towards your business, because it is your own business. So the facing the progress will definitely depend on you. So how fast you can see the results always depends on you. Okay, but I'll tell you, in my case, I saw I got, I can see all these results even when I was on my training phase. Okay, and I knew people, they got their results on their first month, and some also got their results, like their commissions on their startup packages. So it all depends. It really depends on you, on how you run and do your business. So but if you keep your eyes on the prize, which is yun lagi ang aking mantra, if you keep your eyes on the prize and you put the focus, determination on your business, things will make happen. It will be easy. You can see it right in front of your eyes that things are unfolding very quick. Okay, so ayun, I think that's it. And apa ba? If you do your best in what you do, always, at all times, you will see results faster than you anticipate. So, okay, I hope you guys seen, or what do you call this, my answer is kind of useful and helpful sa mga napapaisip, what is this business all about. So yeah, there it is. Yan ang ating this is the part of the business. So I hope you see your result quick. Kaya ikaw, mag-start ka na, ngayon na. Kasi kung hindi ka mag-start, wala kang makikitang results. Yes? Okay, so have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you on my next one. Hi, Kuya Noy! I miss you guys. Tapos ng aking live. Mwah!